Okay, good afternoon, students. Today we are going to learn a new topic in English. Okay, so before starting, I will like to explain you it is a skill. Okay, today we are going to learn a new skill, that is we call it as writing skill. What we call it as writing skill. So in writing skill, many things comes, like you write, you write in a good handwriting. Okay, you write an essay, you write a composition, or you write a speech, anything. If you write about any topic or anything, so we call it as writing skill. So today we are going to learn a new topic, that is writing skill, and I will explain you how to write. Okay, how to write a, or how to do a writing skill. So we are in the writing skill, we are going to do a picture composition. Okay, so I will explain you how to write a picture composition. So what is a picture composition? Can anyone know, can anyone say me what is a picture composition? Yes, describing a picture with meaningful sentence. So picture composition basically means we have to describe a picture. A picture will be given and you have to describe the picture, or you have to say something about the picture in a meaningful sentence. Like you have to explain the picture in a meaningful sentence. Okay, so it is called as picture composition. So one picture will be given, and on that you have to write 5 to 6 to 7 lines on that picture. Seeing that picture, what are the different things you see in the picture, you have to write in that. Okay, so what is a picture composition? Picture composition involves writing sentence based on a given picture. So picture composition means a picture is given, and based on that picture you have to write the sentences. Picture composition requires the writing to carefully observe the given picture and describe it in form of a composition having meaningful sentence. So picture composition, it require before writing a picture composition, you should first observe the pictures. As a picture is given, so first you should observe the picture carefully, means very nicely you have to observe the picture. What are the different things you see in the picture? So first you have to observe the picture, and then you have to write as a composition, you have to write a meaningful sentence on that picture. I will give you one example. So first what you have to do, first you have to see the picture. Okay, here you can see the picture, right? What are the, first you say me what are the different things you see in this picture? Yes, we can see a tree. Okay, children's, or some are doing painting or some are playing. So first what we have to do, we have to observe the picture. So what we have observed in this picture, we have observed that this is a big garden, right? There are many trees, there are birds, you can see the birds. Okay, there are many birds, you can see the birds, you can see a swing, you can see a girl painting a picture, right? You can see many children, you can see the mother, right? And you can see the nest. So these are the observation. First what we have to see the picture and you have to observe it. पहले picture देखना है and उसको observe करना है. Like what are the different things you see in the picture? So these are the different things we keep in our mind that we have seen in the picture. The next thing, you have to write a sentence on that picture. It is a big garden. So first sentence is it is a big garden, or you can write it is a big park, or you can write it is a park, or it is a garden. Second, many children are playing in the garden. You can see many children are playing in the garden. Second sentence हम लोग का हो गया that you are writing many children are playing in the garden. Next, some children are playing hide and seek. In the down picture you can see they are playing hide and seek, means they are hiding and someone is finding them out. So we call that game as hide and seek, right? Some children are playing hide and seek. The next sentence you can write, there are many trees in the garden. You can see many trees in the garden, right? There are different बहुत सारे trees है. There are many trees in the garden. You can write the sentence also, there are many trees in the garden, right? The next sentence you can write, there are birds sitting on the tree. Here you can see in the picture, that the bird is sitting on the tree. So in our sentence we can also write the birds are sitting on the tree. So these are the normal sentence that are there in your textbook. Okay, other than that we can add some more sentence, like a boy is painting a picture. You can see a boy is painting a picture. Next, more you can add, a mother is saying something to him. You can see a boy and a mother is talking, right? A boy and a mother is talking and the mother is saying something to him. Okay, next you can write a girl is swinging from the branch of the tree. You can see in the picture a girl is swinging means she is playing on the swing, right? Next, there is a bird nest in one of the tree. You can see birds. In the above sentence we have written the birds are sitting on the tree. Next, also from the observation you can see the bird, there is a nest, bird का nest है tree पे, right? You can see in the picture. So these are few sentences which I have added. In this way you can also add more sentence according to you. Understood? So what are the different things in all we see in the picture? There is a big garden. Many children are playing in the garden. Some children are playing hide and seek. There are many trees in the garden. A bird is sitting on the tree. A boy is painting a picture. His mother is saying something to him. A girl is swinging from the branch of a tree. There is a bird nest in one of the tree. So एक बिग गार्डन है. बहुत सारे बच्चे लोग खेल रहे हैं. सब कुछ बच्चे हाइड एंड सीक खेल रहे हैं. फिर ये गार्डन में बहुत सारी ट्रीज़ हैं. मैनी ट्रीज आर देयर. फिर बर्ड इज सिटिंग ऑन द ट्री. बर्ड बैठी है ट्री के ऊपर. एक बॉय पिक्चर बना रहा है, पेंटिंग कर रहा है. उसकी मम्मी उसको कुछ तो बता रही है. मदर इज सेइंग समथिंग. उसकी मम्मी उसको कुछ बता रही है. अ गर्ल इज स्विंगिंग फ्रॉम द, एक गर्ल स्विंग कर रही है ट्री के ब्रांच पे. और एक बर्ड ने नेस्ट बनाया है ट्री पे. सो दिस इज द ऑब्जर्वेशन एंड यू हैव टू राइट अ पिक्चर कॉम्पोजिशन ऑन दैट. अंडरस्टूड? नाउ आई हैव वन मोर पिक्चर. as if you have understood you can write on your own also, right? There is one more picture you can see here. This is one more picture. Yeah, what do you can see? First what we have to do, we have to observe the picture. हम लोगों को पहले पिक्चर को देखना है, ऑब्जर्व करना है. So what are the different things you see in the picture? क्या क्या आप लोग देख सकते हो? Yes, there is a farmer, there is a girl, goats are there, farmer's wife is there, buffalo is there, क्रॉप्स आर देयर. इट इज़ अ पिक्चर ऑफ अ फील्ड. ये कौन सी पिक्चर है? एक पिक्चर है एक फील्ड का. ओके, सो फर्स्ट वी हैव टू ऑब्जर्व. तो व्हाट आर द डिफरेंट थिंग्स यू कैन सी एंड आफ्टर ऑब्जर्विंग यू हैव टू राइट 5 to 6 सेंटेंस ऑन इट. इट विल बी एज योर homework. So this you have to observe the picture and you have to write on your own 5 to 6 sentence on it. Okay, understood? आपको पिक्चर को देखना है, ऑब्जर्व करना और इसके ऊपर 5 to 6 सेंटेंस आपको लिखना है. थैंक यू.